Okay, this is going to be trading Asia session. Right now, we already have confirmation of the setup. All that I am waiting for is for this candle to close bullish. If that candle closes bullish, I'm gonna wait for the market to come, retest this level, and buy from this point as soon as this one closes. But the main thing we need to actually see a pullback on the next candle. Pullback, indeed. I don't want to see going up and then coming down. But that's going to be a problem. That means it's going to come back all the way to retest this area. And from here, it's going to decide. So let's see what happens. In the meantime, all we got to do is wait. Right? What else can we do? What else can we do? I already did my setup. Just waiting for my confirmation to enter the trade. And yeah. Because this pattern is actually a false breakout. You know, my quantum level always a strong level. So you see how the market reacts here. It broke and I broke it back in, meaning that this entire area was just pure liquidity grab of some sort of slippage. But I do not like how this comes just pushing too far. So how far can it go? Look, this is very nice. You go from point A to point B, that's 61.8. Right, so 0.95. So you're gonna see how the market reacts to that level. But this level is gonna start rejecting, you know, either to close like that or probably even lower. But I just want to see the closure and the closure make a pullback so I can place this entry and have a one-to-one to this level here. I don't know how many pips is that. Let me check. Let's see, 15 pips. That's more than enough that I need one setup. So after that, you're gonna see what happens. Let's see. But you see how it's reacting to that level? That means that's a strong price. All right, so I'm going to pause the video here and I'm going to come back after once the M15 candle closes for this price. And then I'm gonna execute, okay? So I'll see you in a little bit. So I slept on it. The market closed and it already went up. So it is, you know what's happening? It's making the first push to the upside, to this level. And then from there, it's gonna decide to come back or continue. But since, look, if you think about this range right here, right? It's already at the middle. Honestly, I don't wanna trade here because there's high probability that it may go to this side or they may go to the downside. You know, this is a 50-50 chance. So, but at the same time, all this is noise. I don't want to be here. I don't want to be in here. So this trade, these setups is pretty much invalid per se. That's too many pips. Now I'll wait for the comeback. Let me see how far can it go. All right. I must see how the market reacts at this level. That could be an entry for a sell, right? Or a minor pullback. Because I probably would, I'm gonna put my stop loss about this level. Yeah. right? Because I gotta take into consideration these levels as well. All right, look at that. That level. So if I want to enter the trade, this trade right there at that price, what I have to do either have a sell limit here and a stop loss. That's give me 10 pips. Yeah, I'll probably take that. And can I get a 1-to-1? Yeah, most likely. Let me see if this leg actually give me something. Valid, okay. From this point to this point. So yeah, okay. Since we are on a downtrend, right? As we can see, the market's pushing down. Push, 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 push. So we have levels down here that we still got to make. If this will can be like a good level to actually sell. So that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a sell limit at that price. Let's see. USD. Uy, uy, uy. Interesting. You know what? Let's eliminate this for a second. Let's stick with the bias that we have. We are bullish. Until we don't have a closure below this level, I shouldn't be thinking about selling. So, with that being said, anything that happens here is going to be a buy. Let's see. So in the meantime, I'm gonna come back later. I'm gonna pause it for now. All right, as we can see, we have a nice rejection from this price. We fall about 10 pips. Let me see. So 10 pips exactly. So that's a 10 pip drop. That could have been the trade, but I didn't want to trade in the middle of these things. So, anyways, so you're gonna wait for a pullback, right? Probably to this area here, and then continue to the upside or to the downside. It depends. In the meantime, I'm gonna come back in about, I don't know, whenever I see something, I'm gonna come back. If I don't see anything before 10 p.m., I'm gonna call it a day because this setup is gone, and now I needed to find a new one. So, anyways, I'm gonna pause for now. Okay, now we can see that the market rejected that level to the T and it's pulling down. So let's see what happens whenever the market reaches this level again. And depends on what happens here, we're gonna decide, but most likely if it start breaking, probably gonna sell. Still waiting. Okay, I'm gonna take this center here. I'm gonna go short, and we're gonna go to a 1-to-1. Like that. The main reason is because this candle didn't tap the level, the quantum level, meaning that there's a lot more momentum for the market to push to the downside. So that's one of the reasons that I took it, and plus we are on a bearish market, so that's it. Let me see, it's one. That entry is in. Let's go. So I'm gonna pause it for now and come back whenever there's either TP. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, hold on. I can stay a little. Look at that melt. Stop playing with me. That's right. All right, that's a lot of momentum going on. Anyways, I'm gonna pause it for now, and oh, there it is. TP hit. Let's go. Let's go. And that's it. That's the end of the video, and what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Bye for now. Bye for now.